In this lecture, I am going to tell you some sentences in English about driving used in our daily life. If you are watching our video first time, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get more useful lessons and can make your English vocabulary better. Like the video, share with your friends and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest so you can get more updates about our lessons. Let's start the lesson. Where's the car key? It's a rush hour. Adjust the side mirrors. Where's the parking lot? Is it okay if I open the window? Shall I turn on the AC? Please do not throw wrappers in the car. It'll take 4 hours to reach the destination. I have to refill the fuel tank. It's faster to take the motorway. I think there is an accident. I think the tire is losing air. We may get late due to traffic jam. The tire is flat. Please fasten your seat belt. I need to check the fuel and tires first. Please don't eat in the car. There's a traffic jam. No smoking, please. Sorry, AC is out of order. Do not honk again and again. Slow down. Unlock the car. Put the luggage in the trunk. It is far away. We need to take a U-turn. Put the luggage in the trunk.